I see a violet in the dark, a distant voice that
They're really here.
this memory of fading glow, a purple sky wherever we go. And even when the night is through, our hearts will beat the same as you. Oh, same as you. This purple ocean all because of you. Every light's a memory shining in the blue, even when we're miles apart. You're the constellations in my heart. We grew together under the same sky, a seven-colored promise, you and I, forever young inside this serenade. Together we have made our forever lasting purple galaxy, a purple galaxy, yeah.
For 3 hours, we've filled this space with our shared breath, our shared fears, and our shared light. When you walk out of those gates tonight, don't leave that light behind.
Take a small piece of this purple sky and tuck it into your pocket.
Let it be the thing that warms you on the days when the world feels a little too cold. We are each other's proof that we exist. Thank you, Army. Thank you, Army.
The world outside is spinning slow. Nowhere else I'd rather go. Singing loud beneath the lights, through these peaceful starry nights.